Hi everybody, Ian here at AbelCine in Burbank, and today we're here with a quick tip on the Canon C300. Today we're going to take a look at how to take a custom picture off the Abel website and load it into your camera. And to do that, we will need an SD card that has been formatted in the camera. Let's go and look in the menu on how to get the process started. Alright, so I put my SD card into the camera, and the first thing I'm going to do is format it. So I'm going to hit my menu button, and I'm going to go down to my Others functions, and I'll go down to the bottom here, and I will go to Initialize Media. And you'll see that I only have an SD card in the camera, so the A and B CF cards are grayed out. So I go to my SD card, and I'm going to do a complete. And I know I've taken everything I need off of that card. So we're going to go ahead and initialize it. Okay, we're done. I click in on my rotary wheel. I'm going to click on my menu and get out of here. Now that I have the card formatted, I can now go into my custom picture menu. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here. I have custom picture number 1 active right now. I'm not going to go in and change any settings. What I'm actually going to do is go down to the last item here, and I'm going to copy this to the SD card. So I'm going to go ahead and activate that and say OK. And now it has moved that information over to my SD card. Once I have that done, now I can go ahead with the process of loading new looks onto the card. Now that we have our SD card formatted, we can now take it and put it into our computer and then go to the Abel website and download the looks that we want. So let's go and take a look at the website and how to do that. Alright, so what I've done is I've gone to the Abel website and I found I did a search on Canon C300, and here I have the scene files, and we have them arranged like we do pretty much all the other cameras, in that you can go in, for instance, right here and download all the looks, or you could scroll through, take a look at the frame grabs and see which one you think is appropriate. Well, maybe I don't know exactly which one I want to use, want to experiment, check them out. So I'm just going to download them all right here. So as soon as that happens, I now can go into my downloads folder and grab that. And I'm going to go into my downloads, and I'm going to pull out this private folder that got generated. So now that I've downloaded it, here is the private folder from the download on our website, and here is the SD card from the C300. I'm going to pull this off just to the side for a moment, double click on this, and you'll notice that when I pulled the custom picture from the C300 to the SD card, it created this private folder. And this is where the camera looks to write and to read looks. So I'm going to take this private folder out, and I'm going to replace it with the private folder that I offloaded from our website. Once I have that done, I'm now going to eject the card, and we can put it back in the C300. Now that I have the SD card back into the camera, I have opened up my custom picture menu, and let's take a closer look at how to actually get a look into the camera. So I'm going to take my control wheel at the top of the camera, and I am going to scroll down to here, and you'll see that because I have information on the SD card, it gives me an option of either copy to or load from. Now, because we've dropped that folder, that private folder from our website onto the SD card, I'm going to load from the SD card. So I'm taking looks from the SD card and putting them into the camera. Now, as you can see, as I start scrolling through here, you're going to see the different looks that we've generated. And you'll notice that a lot of those names are very similar. So let's just take the first one. So I'm going to take the 5D Cine 2, and I'm going to move it over. And it asks me, do I want to copy it over? Yes. And so there you go. It's as fast as that. I just moved it over. So if I wanted to, I can now say like I want to move another one in. So I'm going to go now up to here, and I'm going to change my position to position 2. or custom picture position number 2. Select it, come down to my SD card again, load from SD card. I'll now scroll through and let's say I want JR45. So I'm going to find JR45 video. There it is. I select it and now it says you want me to move from the card JR45 to custom picture position 2. Is this correct? And it is correct, so I'm going to select OK. And as soon as I push the button, it moves it over. So let's go up and look at our custom pictures now. And if I go up here and I go to my set position, you'll see that at number 2, I now have JR45. Position 1, I have the 5D setting. So quick and easy way to move our looks onto your C300. So that's how you move a scene file from our website onto the Canon C300. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again soon.